welcome to my channel. Today I am going to explain you how to publish Swift package so that other developers can use your code. As you can see that I have already created a package, Swift package publishing demo. So one more thing, if you are new to the Swift package and you don't know how to create a new package and add it to the existing or new Xcode project, then I have already added a link in the description so you can watch it, the tutorial. Now let's continue to our main topic. So as you can see that I have created a package and I have uploaded it to the GitHub. So you can see that this is the package and this is public. So you can also upload this package as a private repository. So but if your Swift package is private, then only you will be able to access it. But if you want to share it with the other developers, then you have to make it public. So since the launch of Swift Package Manager, publishing Swift package is a piece of cake. Very easy. There are no configuration and manual, you have to write code anywhere to publish the package. So first step is create a package and upload it to the GitHub and mark it as public. Now as you can see that I have already added a class myCalculator to the package, and if we will import this package to any of our iOS project, then we will be able to use this myCalculator class and its add function. So let's do it. So as you can see that by simply uploading the package to the GitHub, it is ready to be accessed by the Swift Package Manager. Simply copy the URL, and this is our iOS project for testing purpose. So go to File, Add Package Dependencies. Simply paste the URL. Now you can see that it is already available to add as package. So now we will use the exact version 1.0.0 and add it as package. Select the target, add package. Now our package has been imported. Now let's import our package, Swift Package Publishing Demo. Now we can use our myCalculator class in the iOS project. myCalculator.add Now you can see the result, sum is equal to 15. So how simple it is to use Swift package in the other Xcode projects. Swift Package Manager has made the dependencies very easy. Now one important thing is how to manage version. Now you will see this is the package, and we manage the versions from here. See, this is the first version and I have named it v1.0.0. And now one thing more I will explain you. Suppose we have made some changes to this code. Now these changes will be published as the next updated version. So let's try this. Now I am adding one more function, multiply. Let's add comment. Let's name this version of the Swift package to be 1.0.1. Commit and push. Added multiply method. Now for version control, how to properly name the Swift package version, we add tag. You can see that this is the tag I have added, 1.0.0. Now when our package is ready to publish, we add tag. Now simply right click to the commit and see, this is the tag. Now we will name it 1.0.1 and message is optional, you want to add or not. So let's create a tag. Now see, I have added a tag 1.0.1. Now our Swift package has been updated, but currently our updated Swift package is not available for other developers to be used. For that, what we have to do? Go to releases, now here you can see draft a new release. Now here is choose a tag. Now already we have provided a tag 1.0.1. We will use this tag here. And we will name the version v1.0.1. Now we will write the description that we have added multiply method. Now you can see that here is the option publish release. Publish it. Now you can see that this is our latest version which has been released, version 1.0.1. It is displaying here, and it is also displaying that it has one additional release, version 1.0.0 and version 1.0.1. Now let's go to our test project. You can see that I am not able to access multiply method. It is saying it has no member multiply because we have not updated our Swift package. Now let's do it. Now select the project and see, this is here the option package dependency. This is our Swift package. Now let's update it. Version 1.0.1. See, updating package. Now our package has been updated. Now let's see if our multiply method is available to us or not. Now you can see we have two methods, add and multiply. Now we can access our multiply method. See, using Swift package manager how easy it is to create our reusable code and share it with other developers. Now I hope you have a initial understanding how to create a package, distribute it using Swift package manager. I hope you guys like this tutorial. Okay, bye everyone.